Okay, Shallon, Squid, Jordan, Taylor, Eileen, Megan, Hannah, and Molly serving. 4 on each side. Make sure someone's handing them balls. And make sure we're tagging your wrist if your name was not called.
Well, you know, the girls are really excited. They're very pumped to be here. And our preparation was to let them enjoy a little bit of practice instead of being so strict. But no, the focus that we've always had all year and that we will continue to have is ball control and getting the ball into our middles. So that's our big game plan. And it's not anything that we really try to hide.
Ball control, ball control, ball control.